Understanding gradient backgrounds in design. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's not only relevant for designers but for anyone interested in the beauty of visuals: gradient backgrounds. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing a website, or just curious, understanding this concept can add a vibrant touch to your projects. So, let's explore what gradient backgrounds are and how they can make your design stand out. A gradient background involves blending two or more colors together to create a gradual transition from one color to another. This technique can produce a wide range of effects, from subtle and soothing to dynamic and dramatic. Gradients can be linear, where colors change over a straight line, or radial, where colors radiate from a central point. The key idea here is transition. It's all about how smoothly colors change and flow into each other. Linear gradients. In a linear gradient, colors shift along a straight line. This can be vertical, horizontal, or at any angle you choose, offering a sleek and modern look. Linear gradients are great for adding depth and dimension without overwhelming your design. Radial gradients. Radial gradients start from a central point and spread outward in a circular or elliptical shape. They're perfect for focusing attention on a particular area or creating a sense of movement. Radial gradients often mimic natural light and can bring a dynamic energy to your work. Conic gradients. Less commonly used but equally captivating. Conic gradients have colors that transition around a circle, much like slices in a pie. These gradients can create interesting visual effects and are particularly useful in creating circular progress bars or charts. Choosing colors. The choice of colors is crucial in creating an effective gradient. Opt for colors that complement each other and align with your project's mood and tone. Contrast is good, but avoid combinations that clash or are too harsh on the eyes. Simplicity is key. While gradients can add complexity and depth to your designs, it's important not to overdo it. Too many colors or very harsh transitions can be distracting. Aim for a balance that enhances, not overwhelms, your content. Application in design. Gradient backgrounds can be used in a variety of ways, from backgrounds on web pages and slides in a presentation to text highlights and product packaging. They add a modern and dynamic feel, making your design stand out. We hope this video has illuminated the vibrant world of gradient backgrounds for you. Whether you're a budding designer or just looking to spice up your next project, understanding and utilizing gradients can elevate your visual game. Remember, the key to a great gradient is the seamless blending of colors that complement not just each other but the overall design. Happy designing, and see you in our next video.